welcome po natin. Ko po kayo sa ating short video introduction sa isang napakaganda at revolutionary business na at about to launch pa lang po. So we are in a pre-launch stage. So itong business po na ito ay 3.5 years in development, and you are very lucky na ma-discover niyo po ito, and napakalaki po natin dahil this platform, this business can explode like Airbnb, tulad po ng Amazon and Facebook or Uber or Airbnb, right? So, ang pag-usapan po natin is about garage platform. So, ano po ba ang two-sided network business, no? So, ano po ba yung founder and leader product na ating ipopromote, no? And paano po tayo mag-promote ng products and services? Paano po yung isang company, whatever product, physical product man yan, digital product, or development product, or services, no? Kung doctor kayo or attorney, or whatever service po ay pwede nyo pong mai-promote dito sa ating platform. And how to turn $25 to unlimited income. So this is a revolutionary platform with unique and never done amazing compensation plan na kinate po, no? So let's start. So what is Garage App? So welcome to Garage App presentation. I'll make this short and direct to the point. And ang Garage po is the world first multi-company monetization network. Ibig sabihin, multi-company. So, madaming company na pwede nating pagkakitaan. No? So, it's isang platform. So, unlike before, pag nagbi-build tayo sa isang company and nakapag-build na tayo, pag nawala ang company, nag-close, start na naman tayo ng panibagong build. No? Start from zero. Dito po, we will build one time and we can earn from multiple company, no? So this is a very unique business proposition para sa mga business owner at para sa mga affiliates or kahit sino na gustong magkaroon ng side hustle on the internet. Now, ang Garage po is a search engine for financial opportunities. So, para siyang search engine na napakaraming companies na offer ng opportunities. And Garage is a two-sided network business model. Ang mga two-sided business network po na nag-explode recently is like Airbnb, Uber, Amazon, Grab, no? So, like Alibaba. So, these are multi-billion companies na in few years nag-explode. So, ang potential po ng Garage is something extraordinary, and we are just in a really starting point pa lang po, no? So, pioneering sa very unique and amazing company. So, there are sa Airbnb, ang side po niyan, kaya two-sided po, like Airbnb, sa isang side is the property owners. And the other side of the business is yung mga nagre-rent, no? So Airbnb is a platform na wala naman silang properties, right? But they are accommodating yung mga nagre-rent, no? Amazon has no product. It's a platform. Pero nandyan po yung mga companies or mga product provider, and the other side is the affiliate. For Uber naman, nandyan yung mga merong sasakyan na ginagamit nila to for commuters. Sa kabilang side naman is the commuters. So yung ganun po ang two-sided network business model. So dito naman po sa Garage, this is one side is the company founders and leaders. So if you are a company founders or leader ka sa isang insurance company or a networking company or sales affiliate or realty, you can turn your business into a self-perpetuating revenue engine by converting every lead customer, employee, and stakeholder into an affiliate for your company. So dito ko po makakuha ng mga affiliate na mag-promote ng inyong business, ng inyong product, ng inyong services. And if you're affiliate and customer ka naman, you can build one network that pays you across every customer, every affiliate, and company. So you can get paid mula pa dun sa mga company founders and leaders, mula dun sa mga products and mga services na kanilang provide. And one time lang po natin ito i-build, no? So there are no exclusivity, no? So later on, itackle po natin yung benefit ng affiliates and customer kasi for sure, karamihan po sa atin, affiliates and customer magsisimula, then we will become founders and leaders kung may mga businesses or products po kayo or services na kailangan nyong i-promote, no? Now, ano po ba ang founders benefit? Unang-una, huge savings on productivity tools. So ano po ba itong mga productivity tools? Isa-isahin ko po yan maya-maya, no? Virtual company operating system. So para po na sa isang platform where you can monitor your employee. This is for the company owners. So meron kayong HR department, technical department, or sales department, at whatever department. Pag nag-time in po sila, nakikita nyo po real time. Meron po kayong communication sa loob, no? So those are the productivity tools sa mga employees. And you also train and utilize AI employees. So grabe po itong AI employee na dinemo po sa amin, ano? So may kita po, pwede kayong mag-create ng AI avatar na bibigyan nyo ng task. Even siya na ang maintain ng inyong social media. Siya na magpo-post, magre-reply sa mga comments and any other task na pwede nyo i-assign sa kanya. So itong employee na ito, hindi nyo na kailangang sahuran. And habang tumatagal, tumatalino po yung AI habang ginagamit nyo, no? So this is a game changer talaga itong AI employee nila. And you can build a free or paid community, no? And products and services distribution channel. So kung may physical product ka or services na kailangan mong i-promote, yan ang iyong product, services mo. Merong 8 ways to distribute ang garage na pwede nating mong gamitin if you are founder. And ang kagandahan nito, mula sa mga product, yung mga product ninyo at mga services na inyong i-provide for the affiliates, pwede nang lagyan ng commissions, no? So, 99%, more than 99% of the companies globally ay walang affiliate program. Dito po, pwede nilang lagyan ng commission ang bawat product and services nila, kaya they can have unlimited affiliates para po sa kanilang products and services. Yan po, no? Napakagrabe. So, magkano po ba paging founder? So, ito po yung isang software na ino-offer ng Garage. So, isa-isahin po natin yung mga productivity tools. So these are provided by third-party apps na binabayaran nila monthly na ginagamit nila for their business, no? Like sa mga office streaming po nila, sa mga chats, Slack po, third-party platform ginagamit nila at nagbabayad po sila dyan ng $8.75 per user per month. Sa leaders and founders, provided na po yan. Sa calls, ito pong Zoom, no? So usually Zoom ang ginagamit and the company pays at least $13 per user per month. So kung 10 po ang gumagamit ng Zoom sa company, that's $130 a month na. Time tracking. So ito yung pag-time in, kung kailan magta-time out. So monitoring, no? So toggle $9 per user. The communities, pwede ka mag-build ng communities. Sa Circle naman po, ang counterpart na third party, yung social feeds is Mighty Network, no? So, these are 24 apps. So, sa live streaming po, pwede tayo mag-live streaming po, ano, webinar, pwede na pong gamitin din yung one-on-one call, three-way call, meeting online. So may courses, no? Kung nag-ano kayo ng mga courses, pwede kayong magbenta ng mga courses. If you are paid by the hour, no? Kung attorney ka, consultant, and binabayaran ka per hour, this is one-on-one calls. So pwede mo pong gamitin. Magagamit nyo and you are getting paid by an hour. So yung services mo, pwedeng i-promote ng any affiliate at pwede mong lagyan ng commission plan. Digital products, pwedeng mag-upload ng mga digital product mo, mga services, newsletter, e-commerce, kung ikaw naman ay uh, physical product, business mo, hindi mo na kailangan mag-Shopify, no? Or third-party e-commerce platform or third-party apps, no? Kung ikaw ay developer, pwede mong i-connect yung third apps application mo dito sa Garage. And of course, as a business, kailangan mo ng mga payment processor at hindi po madali connect sa mga payment processor. So within Garage, meron ka ng payment processor, dynamic funnels and checkout. So hindi ka na magbabayad monthly for that. Yung cost ng commission plan creator, no? So sabi ko nga, bawat product or services ng isang company ay pwede nilang lagyan ng commission plan and automated payouts, no? Hindi na si company ang magbabayad ng payout, kundi si garage na. Customized wallet for your office. So this, may mga third-party platform na pwedeng gamitin na babayaran nila monthly. So ito naman, back office for the employees. Merong CRM, calendar, Calendly, file storage sa Dropbox, no? In Dropbox, that's $15 per user per month. Yung Calendly for calendar, for coordination and appointment setting, CRM, project manager, HR management software, accounting software, and lahat po ng software na ito ay binabayaran per user ng isang company, most probably $971 to $1,000 plus dollar. So, with Garage, sa leaders po, napakababa na lang ang monthly niya. That's $48, no? $48. Yan, makikita po natin. $48 per month. So, almost more than 90% po ang savings nyo. Pag founders is $96 per month. So, the difference with leaders and founders, ang founders ay yung mga company owners na may mga empleyado. Ang leaders office ay yung mga leaders maaring from network marketing or leaders or agency managers sa mga insurance or sa mga realty. So you can use this tool para po i-promote ang product nyo and to get more affiliates para sa mga products and services nyo. Now, para naman sa atin, sa mga affiliates or mga customers, you can join for free. Lahat po pwede mag-join for free as customer. And pwede na din kayong mag-invite. Ang kagandahan po dito, even as a free member, hindi pa kayo nag-a-activate, pwede na kayong mag-build ng mag-invite sa Garage habang nagsisimula. There are around less than 500 members pa ho globally. And nasa second week pa lang po tayo. So once you want to monetize or gusto nang kumita, activate mo lang yung account as an affiliate. $25 lang one-time activation. So nasa around 1,600 pesos one time lang po yan. And you build once, get paid forever. So wala pong time limit. As long as nandyan ang platform, si Garage, 3 years from now, kumikita pa rin po tayo. Unlimited company. So lahat ng company or founders, leaders, product, and any company's product, pwede po nating i-promote or bilhin, no? So we can earn from company, unlimited company. So walang quota at walang sales requirements. So kahit magpahinga ka lang, build mo to ngayon, then magbakasyon ka, nandiyan pa rin po. Kung may income, may mga nagbenta, sumali sa ilalim mo, nandyan po ang inyong income. No company or product exclusivity. Ito po common sa mga networking company. Pag member ka nila, pag nalaman na nagpro-promote ka o nagbebenta ka ng product ng iba or na binibuild mo yung other business, tanggal ka, di ba? So dito po, lahat ng company within Garage Platform, pwede mong i-promote yung mga tao mo, kahit yung company na prinomote mo sa kanila, hindi nila nagustuhan, or your product na prinomote mo sa kanila, hindi nila nagustuhan, nakakita sila ng company na aligned sa client nila at nagbenta sila doon, kikita ka pa rin po, even though hindi mo na alam yung company na yun. No? Dahil nasa one network mo sila. So build one network, and get paid forever. And the best part, pagdating po sa ating compensation plan, mula sa $25, pwede po tayong kumita up to infinity. And walang maximum income sa mga local, or sa mga usually may maximum daily income. Dilo po, $25 lang or 1,600. This is on promo. Tandaan po natin, promo pa lang ito dahil after that umabot ng 2,000 affiliates, na babalik na po sa normal, which is $50 na po yung one-time activation. So grab na po natin itong opportunity na to. This is a no-brainer opportunity. So kailangan grab agad. So wala naman po mawawala. And take time na aralin pa ang business. Nandito po kami for you, to guide you. And the CEO and the co-founder, meron pong webinar daily, twice a day, doon sa Garage Platform. And napakadali po mag-recruit, no? Napakadaling mag-build. Hindi alam ng yung in-invite sa webinar, member na pala siya, no? So yung mga kagandahan. So earn up to infinity, walang maximum income. Earn from infinite number of companies. So walang limit yung number of companies na maaari nating i-promote or ibenta yung mga products nila. So how does the compensation plan works? All right, kita na po tayo. So affiliate compensation plan, may 3 ways to earn. Mula po dun sa mga products and services mismo ni Garage, mga software niya na pinuprovide, marami po yan, no? So I'll just, pinag-usapan lang natin is the leaders and the founder product. So meron pa po yung other software product na maaari nating bilhin, plus product income from any company in Garage. Natatandaan niyo po, sabi ko, bawat company ay pwede nilang lagyan ng commission plan yung whatever product nila or whatever services nila, no offer nila, na pwedeng i-promote po natin ng kahit sinong affiliate. And dahil merong compensation plan, may pay plan doon, unilevel, so you will earn from that as well. So, unang-unang kitaan po is direct bonus. Napakalaki po. Ito po yung parang direct referral. This is 36% nung $25. So, sa $25, $9 po agad ang income natin. Nag-invite ka, nag-activate ng $9 or 25 ng affiliate, meron kang $9. Paano kung leaders naman ang pinurchase, no? Nag-activate ng leaders. So that's $48 per month. Monthly na po yan. Yung $25 one time, yung leader is a monthly subscription na 48. So monthly may $17 ka. Paano kung ang kinuha ay company or founder's account? So that's $96 per month. So mayroon kang $34 monthly, no? So, yan po ay direct bonus, yung mga personal nating dinala. So, dito po ang structure ay unilevel. Wala po dito spillover. Go wide po tayo, no? So, napakadali lang naman nito. Kami po mag-explain. Just invite them to the webinar or share this presentation, and we will guide you po. At tayo po ang magpapasimula dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Number 2 na kitaan, level bonus. Ito na yung unilevel up to the 15th level. Kaibahan po dito, habang lumalalim, mas lumalaki ang payout per activation, no? O per product na binibili sa ilalim. So, nakadepende din sa number of referrals. Maganda po dito. Yung level bonus natin or uni level up to the 15th level. And habang dumadami ang referrals po natin, lumalaki ang income per level. Tandaan, no? And per level, habang lumalalim, lumalaki ang payout. Number 3, infinity bonus. So napakadali lang po para mag-qualify sa infinity bonus. Meron tayong tier infinity bonus na $0.60 at another $60 kung tier 2, nakuha mo yung tier 1 and tier 2 is $1.20 per activation sa $25 down to infinity po yan. It pays up to infinity, no? Up on top of level bonus. So makita ka ng level bonus, madadagdagan ng infinity, no? So dalawang infinity bonus to, may double infinity. Then you have the product level bonus. We can promote and earn from any products or services posted by any company founders or leaders. And we can earn product level pag ang mga teammates naman natin or downlines ang nagbenta or bumili ng mga product or services from other company, tayo din po ay kumihita ng level bonus, no? Depende na po 'yan doon sa uh, inilagay na percentage ng company. So yan po yung apat na ways na kitaan, no? So direct bonus, alam na po natin, 36%. Next, ito po ay level income, yung uni-level income potential up to the 15th level. Assumption. So sabihin natin po na isa pa lang ang referral mo. Isa ang referral mo, so isa yung first level mo. Tama? Then each one, yung isa mo, kumuha ng dalawa. And everybody down to the 15th level, kumuha ng tigalwa. So yung first level mo, may dalawa. So yung first level mo, ikaw ang kumuha, right? Then yung isa mo, kumuha ng dalawa. Then yung dalawa, kumuha ng tigalwa. So that's 4 sa third level, 8, 16, up to 16,000 people on your 15th level. Now, ang points dito po magsisimula sa 1 point on your first level, then 2 points second level, 3 points sa third level, 4 points sa fourth level, 5 points sa sixth level, and onwards. Kaya ang 15th level ay 15 point. Now, the question is, magkano per point? 1 point is equal to 0.03. So sabihin natin may pumasok, nag-activate sa 15th level mo. That's 15 points times 0.03, no? So yan po ang commission natin. Now, hindi ka masaya, isa lang ang dinala mo, no? What if magdala ka ng dalawa? Assuming you bring 2 referral. And each referral bring 2 referrals. Ito na po yung duplication of 2. Dahil according to study, sa affiliate marketing, on the average, 2.5 ang nadadala na invite ng individual. So this is more realistic, no? But with this program, napakadali lang po kumuha ng 5, 10, 20, or even 100 in 1 year. No? Now, dahil kumuha ka ng dalawang tao na, dalawa na yung leg mo, dalawang referral mo, so you have 2 legs, magsisimula na sa first level mo is 2 points. And yung second level mo, 4 points na. Then, 6 points sa third level, fourth level is 8 points. Kaya ang 15th level mo ay 30 points. Times 0.03 pa rin. So, just imagine, you get 2 duplication of 4, nagkaroon ka ng 32,000 members down your downline, a total income of 55,000 US dollar, no? Potential income, perfect duplication. Kahit 5% lang po or 10% of that. But we will not stop on the 2 referrals. Assuming dahil ito ay $25 lang, nagkaroon ka ng 3 referrals. The points is triple. Ibig sabihin, on your first level, magsisimula sa 3 points. Second level, 6 points. madadagdagan lagi ng 3 points. On your third level, 9. Sa fourth level, 12 points na. And on the 15th level, that's 45 points, no? So, times multiplied by 0.03. So, bawat activation, ang pinag-uusapan pa lang po natin dito is that 25 US dollar uh, activation, affiliate activation. Iba pa po yung sa founders, sa leaders, which is monthly naman po nating income yun, no? Dito din po yan, depende sa anong level pumatak yan. Now, with this scenario, tatlong referral mo, kumuha ng 2, 6. Yung 6, kumuha ng tigalawa, third level mo is 12. So on and so forth, yung earnings mo, potential with a 2 by 3 duplication, tatlong referral mo at each one get 2. Ang computation po lumalabas ay nasa around 123,000 US dollar. But 3 is napakakunti po niyan kung gagawin nyo seriously ang business. Tatlo for 25 US dollar. So, we encourage you dapat 4. Paano pag naging 4 na ang ating referrals? Ito, 4 na po yung referrals niya, no? So, on these 4 referrals, ang point system is triple pa rin. Hindi na nagbago. So, mula 4th referral onwards, kahit ilan ang referrals mo, sa level income, triple lang po siya. So, 3, 6, 9, up to the 15th level, 45 points. So, again, from 3rd onward referrals mo, ang point na ay 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 to 45 to the 15th level. But, meron pong qualification yung infinity. Napakadali. Dahil nagkaroon ka ng 4 na referral, mag-o-open on top dito po sa level income, madadagdagan po ang income nyo ng infinity income. Ano po yung infinity income? Income up to infinity ng organization mo. How much? Plus 20 points. So dahil mula 4, this is the tier 1 infinity income. So mula 4 hanggang 9 referrals mo, kikita ka ng additional 20 points per activation on all levels down to infinity on top of the level bonus starting on the 4th referrals. So ibig sabihin po pala, kumikita tayo dito sa level income ng 3 points, 6.9 points, up to 45 points, up to the 15th level. Pero pagdating sa 16th level, wala na tayong income, right? Pero dahil meron tayong infinity income na 20 points, so sa mula 16th level up to infinity, may 20 points ka pa. Mula first level up to the 15th level, meron kang level income na 369 up to 45 points on the 15th level. Ang maganda po dito, sa other company, pag yung isa sa downline mo, nag-infinity income na, pumantay na sa'yo, wala ka na. Kick out ka na, tama? Pero dito po, up to 3 levels of infinity income qualifier. Ibig po sabihin, kahit yung downline ko, mag-qualify as infinity, meron pa akong infinity income na 20 points per level up to infinity. So mapuputol lang po yan up to 3 levels. So yung direct referral ko, nag-qualify sa infinity, meron pa rin ako, nag-qualify yung second referral, yung second level ko, meron pa rin ako, yung third level ko, saka lang po mapuputol yung aking infinity income. And that's medyo matagal po yan. Yan ay sa isang leg lang. How about your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Kaya dito po, at least 5 referrals or more. Kung kailangan natin, at least 10. Bakit 10? Dahil pag nag-10 po kayo, 10 referrals onward. Tanyo ha? Tier 2, tier 2, infinity income. Magkakaroon ka pa ng additional 20 points per activation sa double infinity. So pag nagkaroon ka ng 10th referral onwards, mula sa 10th mo, onwards, may additional na 20 points ka sa lahat ng legs mo mula sa 10th leg onwards. So, dito po, maka-cut off ka din up to 3 levels of double infinity income qualifier. So, sabay-sabay po yan. Meron kang level income na up to the 15th level on top of your infinity income na tier 1 at pag nakasampu ka, may tier 2. So that's, pag-usapan natin yung 15th level. Ang 15th level sa level income ay 45 points. Pag nag-infinity income ka, tier 1 plus 20, so 65 points. Plus another 20 points para dito sa tier 2 infinity income. So yan po yung power ng compensation plan. Never done before po ito. And mula sa $25 na activation, $24 binabalik po ng company sa affiliates. Dahil napakarami naman po nilang ways of earning yung company. And mula po sa processing ng payment, meron din pa rin po yung ilang percent ang company and 1% of that ay ibibigay niya uli sa mga affiliates. And lahat ng products and services na posted ng mga companies, meron pa rin percentage ang company platform fee. No? So para itong Lazada, Shopee na napakaganda ng income opportunity for us to earn unlimited income dito po sa garage. Nakikita ko po, after 1 year, 2 years, could be millions of members and hundreds of thousands ang mga companies nandito globally. So what if naka-generate ka ng about 100,000 members under your organization? So how much kaya yung passive income? Bakit passive po? Hindi ito passive na tubo-tubo sa pera. Ito po ay we will work this program habang bago, paramihin natin ang ating affiliate dahil yan ay nakakonect sa atin in one network, and whatever company or products within garage ang kanya i-promote, you will earn. Yun po ang kagandahan. Again, walang monthly maintenance. One time lang ito. And for life na po ang ating income. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for listening. Get back to the person na nag-invite po sa inyo and make sure to attend one of the webinar ng ating CEO co-founder